This video is steps 9 and 10, vocab application and calendar. So for vocab application, what you're going to do is come to me and I'm going to look at your piece after you have your evolve sketch, and I'm going to decide what it needs in terms of elements and principles of art. All right, there's a couple different ways that you can research what I give you. So let's say I say your piece needs some balance in color. All right, I need you to make sure you're balancing the color and spreading it out. And I need you to focus on line. So line and balance. This book, which is found in here, there's a lot of different books in here for inspiration for you guys too, but this book will have the things that you need. If you look into this book, up here in the corner, they are labeled. The principles and elements of art are labeled, okay? So we have, if I'm looking for balance, here's balance. This whole chapter is on balance, and it's teaching me on balance and what I need as far as balance with color and balance with drawing, okay? And so your job is to look through the pictures and get a sense of what balance means and how you can apply it to your picture. And if I give you line, then I also might tell you, okay, how is your picture going with line? I need you to improve your line. And so then you're going to look up line and see how line is used and how you can use that to improve your composition. The other thing that you can use are these lovely charts made by our talented Miss Boyd. And these have the elements of art and the principles of design. This is a little bit of a quick check. So if you forget what it is, you can kind of get the definition and a general idea of what it is. But you're not going to get the full feel for it unless you look it up in the book or unless you research it online. That book is a good surefire way to find it right away, but you can Google it online to see if you can get the idea of what it is. And then you're going to go ahead and apply what you're going to improve your composition with one idea. Okay, it says it right here. Improve your composition with one idea. Okay. Then finally, when you are done with that, you'll come and check in with me. And then once you're done with that, you will get clearance to move to your final stage before you start creating, which is your calendar. So the calendar is right here, and you're going to fill out the number of days that you get to work on what you're doing and what you're going to get done each day. All right, so if tomorrow is October 10th, and then I know I'll have class October 12th and October 13th, I know it'll take me at least 3 days to complete. Well, let's see what I can work on each day. So maybe the first day I know I need to draw on drawing paper. That might take me at least the first class, maybe the second class. So finish drawing on the second day. And then I remember that I was going to use charcoal and watercolor. So then I'm going to have to think, which am I going to use first? Probably the watercolor. Okay, so then I'm going to start watercolor. Okay, then maybe finish watercolor. So you're planning out what you're doing each day in order to go forth with this. Will you be done by the 13th? Probably not. You're probably still going to have to add charcoal, so it'll take you a 4th day to really complete it. All right, then as soon as you're done with your calendar, you come and check out with me.